Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how I do a maintenance cleaning on my Traeger Pro 34 pellet grill. This is something I do every maybe 10 to 14 hours of cooking around in there. It generally helps keep the grill clean, and then it reduces the amount of ash that likes to build up down in the bottom of the grill. It's not a difficult job. It doesn't take very long, and in order to do this job, you're going to need a shop vac. You'll need some kind of brush for your grill grates, and mine needs a non-metallic brush, so I've got that there. I've also got a pair of gloves to help keep my hands clean, and then I've got a scraper for any burned on food or grease that needs to be scraped off. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is put on our gloves, then we're going to get our brush and start brushing the grill grates. And I like to do both sides of the grates while it's on the grill, so that way anything that we're brushing off is falling down in the grill, and it makes it easier to vacuum it up all in one step. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Okay, so next we're going to clean up under the grill grates. The best way to do that, you're going to remove your grill grates, and then I found if I take my scraper and follow along behind it with my shop vac, it's a really easy way to get it really clean under there. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so the next step is we're going to remove the interior pieces of the grill here so we can get access underneath down to the fire pot and the bottom part of the drum where any ash or any of our scraped off food buildup has fallen down in there. We're going to take our shop vac and we're going to vacuum that out until it's relatively clean. So let's do that. Okay, now that it's clean in here, let's go ahead and put in everything that we took out, put that back together, and then let's go to the pellet hopper and we'll go ahead and clean that out real quick. Alright, the last thing I like to do here is clean up inside this pellet hopper. It builds up a little bit of sawdust in there from the pellets, so I like to just go ahead and take the shop vac and clean that up. So let's do that real quick. Alright, well I did a final wipe down on the outside of the grill, so now it's nice and clean inside and out, and it's ready for its next big cook. Thanks for watching.